Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Avalanche today because look at this. I almost predicted a sell on the price action in Avalanche, but then I saw this on the chart. So I wanted to come in and show you what I've noticed on the chart in Avalanche so we can kind of get in position to capitalize on the next price movement. All right, so here it is. Before I do, we did a price prediction in Avalanche and it didn't go right. You guys can see it. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't want to put a lot of FUD or fear or FOMO out here on the streets. I just want to keep it real and show people that you will get some price predictions right and you will also get some incorrect. This is one situation where we got one price prediction incorrect. Well, maybe we did, maybe we didn't, but we'll talk about it. You guys want to join me? You want to follow me? Hit the like button, consider it, also subscribe. You won't get any hype videos from this particular direction because I'm not all about that. I want us to see and learn how to truly view the markets. All right, so look at this. The price prediction that I'm talking about is right here in Avalanche. Okay, July 23rd, 2024. I was looking for the market in Avalanche to go higher in price. That didn't happen, or at least not yet. The market in Avalanche completely fell down after we did our video. So it's kind of like, how did that happen? Why did that happen? Did we miss something in the market in Avalanche? Not really, because we already talked about this sell zone right here in Avalanche on June the 12th that was created. The market in Avalanche came and approached that price, and look what happened. Those sellers re-engaged and pushed the price back down, and that will happen. So you can also see, though, check this out, that we had this that we got this buy zone right here. Okay, market in Avalanche fell through the buy zone right here on August the 5th, but soon after, the market here traded within that buy zone range. Look at this. So why would I want to come in and predict that Avalanche is still a sell? I'm paying attention to the charts. I'm looking at the price action. I'm paying attention to everyone else and what they're doing. And over the days of August the 6th, all the way until August the 19th, those buyers were buying. Especially when you look at all of this volume right here in Avalanche. This stopped the price from going down. Right here, August the 5th, all of this volume, somebody really stepped up and said, look, price is back down to $20. That is a valuable price. I see value at that price. I'm going to open up my wallet and I'm going to buy as much as I possibly can. That's why the volume spike is so high when you look at all the other volume bars. Somebody big came in and bought Avalanche. So we may need to change our buy zone because we have it right here all the way back in December 2023. So that buyer that came in on August the 5th, they probably came in and bought back in December 2023. This stuff just don't happen by coincidence. Whoever bought Avalanche back here in 2023, November and December timeframe, guess what? They bought it again. That's why we're currently seeing the price action in Avalanche go up. So did we get this price prediction wrong? Yes, in the sense that we should have extended lower our stop loss. All right, we should have did that. Or maybe we should have waited until price came down to that buy zone. But if we're not seeing price gaining weakness in terms of momentum, the market stopped going down around $20. Price has been lifting since $20, since it touched $20. Maybe we might need to look for price to go the opposite direction then. Instead of it going down, instead of it seeing the market as a sell, maybe we might need to look at this as a buy. What do you guys think? Because if we're going to do that, then we still need to be cautious because look at the trend though. The trend in Avalanche is not one of strength, it's one of weakness, right? We're not drastically bullish. We're definitely seeing a trend in the market in Avalanche. So yes, even though we may anticipate higher prices, we're going to put a lid on it. We're not going to just say some astronomical price that we're going to look for Avalanche to go to, like $60. We have a lot of things in the way for us to see the price hit $60 in Avalanche right now. So here's Avalanche on the 4-day chart. Okay, we got 12 hours and 55 minutes left. I want you all to see this. We're getting our buy signal off our software being triggered. In Avalanche, we got that push to go up bar being triggered. If this happens, if this prints this way in the next 12 hours and 54 minutes, then we have to anticipate higher prices. Now, we may just look for it to go to 30 to like $33.50, $34, and that's it. Because we still have to contend with what's the overall direction of the market. And it's not one of higher prices yet. Okay. So the 4-day time frame looks good. Here on the 5, you guys can see that this just printed. Avalanche is looking bullish. We got our signal triggered on the market right there too as well. So we're going to look for prices to go up. Okay, so then put this back on the daily chart and let's look for our price prediction here. We're going to look for higher prices. We already know what the buyers are. Okay, so we're going to bring it down here to this buy zone. And our first target will have to be around 28. I know it's not a lot, but that would take us to this downtrend line as well as this potential sell zone right here on the daily. Okay, so let me draw it so you guys can see it. So this will be our first target right here at this sell zone. Now it can happen at the low of this sell zone, which is only 4.73%, or it can happen at the high, 10.8%. So that's our first target. And then our next target, our third target, would be, let's see, maybe around like 32. That's 22.14%. But again, we got to get past this downtrend line as well as this sell zone before we even consider looking for the price to run to 32. So I'm not really looking for that yet, but let's just say that the market achieves, so the buyers achieves to break this downtrend line as well as this first sell zone. Then that's the next thing we need to consider for market direction. Okay. So let me get rid of these sell zones up here. I'm going to hold that one. It's a pretty big one there. So that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Avalanche. Do you guys think it's going to continue to see higher prices? I do. But let's not forget, we may see the market run up to the sell zone, get rejected, come down, try to break through that sell zone again, breaks down, and then eventually breaks through it. Because we already seen what over the last 4 days, a market up 31% in Avalanche. So yeah, at some point I do suspect the market to come lower. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.